As you can see, I'm inside. Behind me, I've got my desk. And this setup's been quite interesting because there was times when I was growing up and I loved a setup like this. And the times I've been traveling and all I can have is literally an iPhone and a passport and a credit card, and that's it to get on the plane with. So I've understood more and more this hardware and software thing. And right now, one of the interesting things, I designed the place I'm in here to do interviews, to work with other people. And with the lockdown, it's questioning having the kit, having the space, but not having the ability, well, the permission by the regulations to have you come and visit. So that's quite interesting. So having me rethink a few things. Now, the joy is I have a project called Need the Kit, and I've been thinking about tech and kit for quite some time. And if you think today the iPhone, the smartphone in your hand, is actually so far ahead of what we had when we were starting out, for me, 20, 30 years ago, with trying to do things and create with computers and cameras. These things are far, far, far moved on, and we are still in a process. And so I think the interesting bit today, whether you're already in the industry of creativity and business, or you're thinking about what could I do with the current lockdown, is this. Think about the idea. Think about something that would excite you that you knew would add value, and the how to actually implement that. That can be done. There are people that I know, people that you can find online, and people that will show up. But the key is, what do you want to create? Think about that and be open to finding a different creative flow moving forward. If you want some inspiration, we can help you with that. But for now, just think about what I love to create. If there were no limits, if there were no constraints, just start thinking that and writing it down, journaling it down, sharing it with maybe nobody, but maybe with a few people. And I'd love to see what you come up with. And I'll share, I think, in the future, how we take these ideas, how we imagine them, how we build them out in our minds, then on paper, and then with teams, and then potentially out in the world. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.